How should we pronounce this word? Is it package, package, or package? Welcome to Endless Night with G. This is our word of the day. Package. Package? No, it's not package. It's package. So this is the transcription. Okay, so we have the transcription here. So package. The first A sounds like the cat. Wow. All right. So package, package, like cat. And the second A sounds like the kids. Yeah, it sounds like the kids there. Kids. So package, package. Oh, wow. Now, let's have the sentence. Did you deliver the package yesterday? Did you deliver the package yesterday? Did you deliver the package yesterday? If you're having trouble with this sound, don't worry because I'm pronouncing it incorrectly as well. Don't worry about that. Alright, so let's just have a recap. This is package, package, package. Repeat after me 3 times. Package, package, package. Alright, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This has been Giovanni of Endless Night with G.